Okay, number 33 wants us to do a little bit of work backwards. So I know I have a rational function, because I'm just going to start kind of translating this word by word. So rational means y equals 1 over x, right? A rational function has an x-intercept at -1. Okay, so an x-intercept at -1, 0 must mean that the numerator, so we find the, gosh, I'm so sorry. We find the x-intercept from the numerator, right? Because the denominator tells us the holes in the asymptotes. So I know that that x-intercept at -1, 0 means that I'm gonna have an x plus 1 in the top. Because when I set x plus 1 equals 0, I get -1, right? So I know that's in the numerator. The vertical asymptotes, this is what's gonna be the denominator, right? So I know that that is gonna be at x minus 7 and x plus 5. It's in factored form. Write an equation that could represent this function and identify the horizontal asymptote. All right, well, technically this is the equation, right? So that would work. But if I want to know the HA, I need it in standard form. So I think on your answer sheet, I put it in, let me see what I put on the answer sheet. Yeah, I put it as x squared. I just foiled this out so that you could see that a little bit easier. But you also could leave it in factored form. Like technically that's the equation. It doesn't specify what form to write it in. So I'll just go ahead and foil it out so you can see how it was on the answer sheet. So this would be x plus 1 on top. And then in the denominator, x times x, we're just going to foil this out, x squared. -7x and 5x. When I combine those, I get -2x. -7 and 5 is -35. All right, so from here, in order to find the HA, so the HA, remember that's our Bobo, Bot, and Eats DC from up here. I'm going to say the degree on the bottom is bigger, so the bigger on bottom, that must mean my HA is 0. All right.